my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing this month of May from Ipsy Glambag Plus. So hopefully you guys are excited to see what I got this month. So once again, please don't forget to subscribe and turn notification bell so you guys don't miss none of my videos. And also why not follow me on Instagram at Lovejasmine323. So without further ado, hopefully you guys are ready and let's go ahead and get started. Alright my loves, so here I have my box with all the products inside from this month. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I received for this month. So here I have a little template inside that says Pound Ipsy Get That Glow. So that is for this month of May. So it just shows inside like a little description of the products that I've received for this month. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in with the first product. So for the first product, here I have the Vineyard Soiree eyeshadow palette, and this is by color Rain. So this is the box that it comes inside. Now this is a vegan cruelty free palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks. Alright you guys, so here I have the palette, and the compact is actually white. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Now this does come with the little plastic inside. And here are the eyeshadows from the palette. Now it does come with 6 shades. It does comes with 4 matte colors and 2 shimmers. Now this eyeshadow palette is retail for $22. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick color swatch for you guys. So here I have the color swatches from the little palette, and look how shimmery and made the colors look. Sorry my camera doesn't focus, but here's the color swatch, and you guys, they are super beautiful, you guys. Love it. Alright you guys, so this is how the palette looks like, and this is the Kiss of Sun palette. Now this palette is a bronzer and it is a highlight as well, and this is retail for $27. So once you open it, it does comes with a little plastic inside. So this is what the palette looks like, and it does come with a compact mirror inside as well. I really love the size of the mirror in it. I just think that's an extra bonus. So this is what the palette looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick color swatch on all 4 shades. So this is the first shade, and this is Balmoral Beach. That is one highlight. Now I'm going in with the second shade, and this is Tamara Beach. Now I'm going in with the third shade, and this is Bondi Beach. And the fourth shade is Madly Beach, which is the bronzer. So this Madly Beach is really not too dark as I expected it. It looks dark in the palette, but it's not dark once you do it in a color swatch. So here you have the bronzer and the highlights. So I just think the colors are beautiful, and each of them are really pigmented, and they can definitely be blended. So they are shimmery. Especially the Bondi Beach color is a really shimmer color, which is this shade right here. This is the Bondi Beach color, you guys. Alright you guys, so now I'm going in with the third product, and here I have the Sugar Rush Tarte Sugar Coat Lipstick, and this is the name of Cupcake. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it looks. So this lipstick right here is valid for $15. Alright you guys, so going in with the fourth product, here I have the Beauty For Real High Def Volumized Mascara in black. Now this is valid for, and this is what the mascara looks like. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys the last item, and here I have the Motd 5-piece brush set. Now this is valid for $34, you guys. Not forget to show you guys this, but I'm going to show you guys the bag for this month. And you guys, look at this ombre bag, you guys. This is so beautiful. Loving the blue colors with the yellow tones underneath, and not to mention this, the zipper, you guys. Look at the zipper. This is so beautiful. And once you open it, it does have a yellow color inside, and it does got the silver square and triangle stamps inside, and I just think it is so beautiful and gorgeous. You can definitely put all of your products inside here, you know, just glam yourself up and just go out with your makeup grabbing these. I just think it's so perfect. So I really love it. But once again, you guys, if you haven't yet gotten your subscription, make sure that you guys get your subscription if you would like to receive some of these beauty products. And this box was only $25 a month. They will customize you with 5 full-size products in your Glambag Plus, and you can always upgrade it as well for the ultimate Glambag as well. And if not, you can also start off with your Glambag. So in further ado, if you guys would like to know how I created this look and you would like to recreate it, make sure you guys stay tuned so that way you guys know how I created this eye look using all the products that I received for this month. I hope you guys are ready to get this look started. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by grabbing one of my Farah brushes, and this is a 35VN mini tapper. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab this shade color, this gray color right here, and I'm going to use that as my base and apply the shadow all over my lid. Make sure to tap the excess, and we're going to go ahead and start applying this. Just lightly pat this since it's a gray color.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
Alright, so now that we're done blending the shadow that we first applied, we're going to jump in with the Masterpiece Crease brush, which is this one right here, and we're going to go ahead and use a darker shade. So for these, I'm going to be grabbing this color right here, and we're going to slightly tap this as well. And then you're gonna move inward to the eye. I love how this brush captures the entire eyeshadow, and it doesn't leave me any fallout for what I see. So it keeps the shadow locked in here into the brush, and the brush feels so smooth. Alright, so now that you have applied the shadow as you wanted, we're going to go ahead and start off with the left side. So now I'm going to go ahead and jump in with the Pencil Me In, and this is typically used to put it in deeping out in the outer corner and then apply it underneath the eye. So what I'm going to use is grab this other brown color and apply this so I can get it a little dark, and then we're going to work it all the way down to the eye. But I just want to add a little bit down here, just to deepen it. So I really didn't see much of a difference from the both colors that I just showed you. But I mean, I tried to put it in and see how it will look, but it just kind of looks the same. But we're going to go ahead and add another color now. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that 10F concealer from the Farah brush, and I'm just going to grab this color right here and apply it into the eyelid. So I'm going to grab a little bit from this Tarte Stay Spray and just spray my brush a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply this. So I'm going to pack this now to the left eye. And I won't be lying, but this left me some fallout. I don't know if you guys can tell all the glitter on it, so just be careful. That is why I don't have my foundation and my face actually set up. That's why I just waited for till the end, so just in case if I have some fallout, then that way I can just go ahead and fix it once I'm done applying with this eyeshadow. So it's kind of basically like doing a cut crease, but it's not. But this is just a full look without using a cut crease or doing the cut crease. This is something simple and easy that you guys can do by just applying these colors that I just showed you. And this look is definitely perfect for a Mother's Day look, you guys. I love it. So far, I'm loving it. Now the only thing about this is that you guys have to do a couple more coats so that way you can get the full look into the eyes. So make sure you guys apply as much coat as needed with the same shadow. So now going in with the No Fudge Just Smudge, I'm going to apply the lightest color into the inner corner of the lid or the eye teardrop or whatever, which is this color right here. Since it has this small brush, and this will work perfectly into the inner corner of the teardrop. So go ahead and grab it. Ahead and add some Tarte's black eyeliner. I'm just going to add like a really thin liner into the eyes. I won't be doing like a full wing. Just gonna do this really light, just like that. Now I'm gonna use the other part, which is pencil, the black pencil, and I'm gonna add this as well. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in with the Beauty for Real mascara, and this is in Just Black. And I'm just going to add some to my lashes before applying my falsies. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in with my favorite lashes, and I'm gonna be using the Eylure London Look Silk, which is this. And you guys, I really love these lashes. So now go ahead and go back with the Pencil Me In and just apply the brown color. Not the shimmer one, but the brown color, the one that we used. I'm gonna be grabbing the shade Manly Beach, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna be using that as my bronzer. And for that, I'm gonna use the Cheeky End 218 from the Farah brush. And I'm just gonna slightly add this to the bottom of the cheek. I'm also going to add the Bondi Beach, which is this shade right here. Such a beautiful color, you guys. Just look at that. So here I have a highlight fan, and I'm going to be grabbing the color Tamara Beach, which is this shade right here. You guys, the glow is everything. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this off by applying the Sugar Rush Sugar Coat, and this is in color Cupcake, and this is a lipstick, you guys. I was really hoping this was actually going to be a darker color because it looks kind of like the dark, but it's not. It's a really nice, like a nude color, and this is the colors that I really love as well. All right, my beauties, so the complete total amount from this beauty box that I received for this month is $117, you guys. How awesome is that? We cannot beat that price, you guys. So I'm really excited that I got to do a full glam look just right before Mother's Day, you guys. Since Mother's Day is right around the corner, I'm just happy that I get to actually try them on, review them, and show you guys this look with you. So if you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you guys don't miss none of my videos every time I upload. And also, why not follow me on Instagram at Lovejasmine323. So once again, I do want to thank Ipsy for customizing my beauty box for this month. I'm really excited. I love how it looks, and hopefully you guys love it as well. So please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up once again, and I'll be happy to see you guys really soon for the next video. Bye guys.